Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th standard at Lokshi Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of you great people like you. Now I am saying complete seminar regarding our natural resources. Do you know friends what is natural resources? Yes, exactly. Natural resources is nothing but which resources are obtained from environment or ecosystem naturally is known as natural resources. Do you know friends what is ecosystem? Yes, exactly. Interlinking of biotic and abiotic nature is known as ecosystem. In the natural resources, main source is water. In the water, 5 divisions is there. 97% is there. Salient water, 2.5 to 2.7% is there. Fresh water, 1.75% is there. Frozen water, 0.7 to 0.8% is there. Groundwater resources, 0.01% is there. Lakes, swamps, rivers, etc. Do you know friends? Farmers is using the reserving of water percolation tanks. I will show the picture of percolation tank. This is the picture of percolation tank. The percolation tank is useful for when the rainfall is not coming. The percolation tank water will be used. The farming capacity will be increased. The soil fertility will be increased with the help of reserving of water at a certain place in a land. Special irrigation techniques for harvesting process. Do you know friends which irrigation systems is there in our farming? Yes, exactly. Drip irrigation, micro irrigation. With the help of drip irrigation, without rainfall, the farming is occur. With the help of pressure and energy, the drip irrigation and micro irrigation process will be occur. And the drip irrigation, percolation tank, micro irrigation technique will be increase the soil fertility rate and pH value also. Do you know friends? Farmers based interventions. Yes, exactly. Farmer based interventions are broadbed furrow, plantation on wasteland. Do you know friends what is BBF? BBF is nothing but broadbed furrow. The farming occur in the presence of step-by-step interventions is known as BBF. Next we will move to another topic. Plantation on wasteland. The mango trees will be increased at a certain place on wasteland also on fertility soil also. They does not know the pH value of the land, but the pH value is need for the any plant. The mango trees will grow in any land with the help of certain water facility and community based interventions. Do you know friends? The dam is constructed by community based intervention. I will show. This is the community based intervention project, Monsoonary Dam. Counter field bunding. Do you know friends what is counter field bunding? Which field produce at a certain place multiple cropping in a step by step is known as counter field bunding. I will show a picture. This is the broadbed furrow image. Plantation on bunds, nothing but wasteland. Do you know friends what is fossil fuels? Yes, the fossil fuels is nothing but which using energy as a producing and biofuels is known as fossil fuels. Do you know friends how the fossil fuels are obtained? The fossil fuels are obtained ancient plant or any animal material is converted into energy. It is fossil fuels. It is renewable resources. I will show the percentage of fossil fuels in our society. Here we will see yellow is natural gas, With the help of fossil fuels, the gas are produced. Natural gas 7%, oil is 24%, nuclear 1%, waste is 24%, other 2%, coal is 42%. But here, with the help of fossil fuels, the energy producing system, every product is producing. And we will move to the next topic, zetrope acid. Do you know, friends, what is zetrope acid? Yes, in the Indian name is Kharjuram. With the help of zetrope acid, the biofuels are produced. In the Kakinada, above the 200 acres, the zetrope acid plantation is there. Next, we will move to IUCN. Do you know, friends, what is the abbreviation of IUCN? Yes, International Union for Conservation of Nature. This team will be conservation of nature. Example, a industry will damage a natural resources. The IUCN will be stopping the industry usage. The industry will be used as a limited way. Without using the limited way, the industry smoke pollution will be occur and the natural resources will damage. Do you know, friends, what is ICRISAT? Yes, exactly. ICRISAT is nothing but International Crop Research Institute of Semi-Arid Tropics. It is located at Secunderabad. The Secunderabad is located in Hyderabad. And it is also, second branch is there at Patancheru. With the help of ICRISAT, the crop research will be occur. The Institute of Crop Research, the crop cultivation capacity will be from the ICRISAT. The IUCN is the right is came from government at 2008. Do you know, friends, what is 4 R's? Yes, exactly. 4 R's is nothing but reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. First, I will explain reduce. What is the meaning of reduce? The reduce meaning is using lessly. I will explain. We are using natural resources very rapidly, but the natural resources are renewable resources and non-renewable resources also. When we are using the again and again, the water percentage will be decreased. I think, but it is also natural resources. The natural resources is a right to have to future generation also. We will use the natural resources as a reduce method and reuse. When we are using any plastic object, any steel object, we are using only one way, but we are using again and again. It is only reuse. Recycle. When we are using any object, we will consider as recycle logo. With the help of recycle, the plastic and the pollution does not occur. And recover. When we are damage the forest or any object, we will recover the system. Example, the ozone layer is damaged. We will decrease the using of washing machine, this like. So here the ozone layer is complete will be occur. With the help of recover is occur. Do you know, friends, what is sustainable development? Yes, exactly. Sustainable development is nothing but the development occur in the presence of natural resources and saving the natural resources. It is sustainable development. Do you know, friends, renewable resources? Yes, exactly. Renewable resources is nothing but which resources are does not replace again and again. It is renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, which resources does not replace again and again, is known as non-renewable resources. Example for non-renewable resources is solar energy, wind energy, like. And the non-renewable resources example is wood, fossil fuels is known as non-renewable resources. Nowadays, the human is increasing as development, but they are not encouraging the sustainable. They are damaging the natural resources. The future generation is have right to the natural resources. With the help of natural resources, we will live correctly. Without natural resources, we does not live. Please save trees, save natural resources. Thanks for spending valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.